got Stray Kids Walking on Water MV. New MV is so good. Okay, so I'm live on Twitch.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Without further ado, Stray Kids Walking on Water MV. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Ah. Are they ninjas? Assassins? Oh. Oh. Well, hold on. Turn this up. Hold up. I'm not ready. Damn. My boy got 2 LV earrings on? No, you did not. He got you in the... Dang. Okay. Okay, he popping off. He popping off. Bro, first of all, that little, that fur coat. Walking on, wiki.
I'm walking on water. You can call me Harry Potter.
You're a wizard.
Jugbin.
I'm a what?
A wizard.
I'm walking on water. You can call me Harry Potter. Leviosa.
Let's take off from some bottle.
Damn, Bang. Wait, first of all, I know. Okay, wait, no. See, like everybody else rapping, and Bangshan just standing there shirtless in a freaking fur coat, looking like a freaking mafia daddy. Ooh, they look good. All of that all white.
Got the horses in the bag.
What? Ooh, like that old school. Yeah. That wiki. Ooh. Bro, every time he just speaks in his part, he just kills that shit.
Hello?
Every time. Yes, you looking at me.
Hello.
He looking straight in my eyes. What you want? You look beautiful. Anyways. That silver. Wait, say hello to Nemo cause I can't see.
Say hello to Nemo cause I can't see.
Hey. Hey. To the game.
We're gonna fall down deep into the water.
Damn. See, walking. Has Bangshan ever said, damn, speaking of Bangshan, you see that man? Look at that man. Look at this man. My boy, what you doing with all that? What you doing with all that? Very dangerous. Wait, say that again? When you're sinking, I'm fishing. That's my flow.
My man.
Yeah. Bring the storm. Wiki. Oh. There we go. Wiki. Hey, god damn. Walking on water, Stray Kids. Damn, they always come through with that. Just hard. Okay, it sounds very sus. They come hard, like they come with that hardness. They just like in your face, like hard. How else do you explain it? They're hard like a rock or something. Every time Stray Kids come out with something, it's always gonna be some like dope raps. Of course, you're gonna have some Felix, like deep voice, some melodies, some vocals, like the whole 9 yards, and just a great production. Looking at their footwork makes I can feel my ankles breaking. Wiki. My favorite. Wiki.
years, but I'll never fall.
What?
Every day supernatural.
Felix.
Crashing rain, I'ma bring the storm. This mustache walking on water.
Yeah. Put the comments down below what you guys think of Stray Kids Walking on Water. I mean, the way they make it be tracks, they look like they walking on water. Walking on water. Call him Harry Potter. Don't starter. I'm not your father.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.